Hello, today we are in Sandbox 15.1 and we are going to Network Sandbox Lab. And the lab is an open environment or sandbox where you can experiment with various network devices and computers. You can access the device from the toolbar to create different network configuration. This table provides additional information regarding the pre-installed settings. Alright, so I guess let's start up. So go to comp 1. Let's open this, launch Windows. And what are we doing today? Let's just go to Windows Start, scroll to DiskManagement. Alright, so what can we do here? Let's maximize this and do something. So for the C drive, we are going to shrink. Let's shrink. So that is going to give us an unallocated space that we can use to create new disks. Alright, so we now have we can now extend this volume and add the size of the volume here. Click on next and click on finish. So we go over here and then let's extend volume also next. Let's add the size of the volume we want. Let's reduce this to let's reduce this. Let's reduce this. Okay. And next finish. So we create new simple volume for this. Next, and new simple volume is created also. So that is it, folks. If this video was helpful, remember to share so that others can benefit also. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.